Greetings and love, Yeah, man. From mama to mama, Once more again, Yeah, man. Lionel Joda. Herbal Remedy present. Yeah, this herb is a herb that grow wild in the mountain. It's called Has Rubdown. This herb I had to do a video about these herbs because this herbs is very potent. This herb is very good for the respiratory tract system. Is also high in iron. Good for people with diabetes and blood pressure also. But asthma. But I'm gonna give you some details about this herb. It grow wild in the hills. It's a vine. If you look at it, you have a next species look something like it, but this one have some small, how you can distinguish the different. This one have if you check the stem is red like blood whisk, see, and the leaf, look at the leaf like spades with a center vein, and you have 3 leaf. All area have 3 leaf. I have a vein run through, and you have, look at good, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 side vein, and it have some small seed pans. If you look carefully here, yeah, these are the seed pans. You have a next one look similar like this that also go wild close to it, but the seed pads is much longer, and the vein, the stem is all green. This one stem is red. Identify it's high in iron. This is very, very good for cold and cough. Instant relief. It's called Has Rubdown. The elders used to give children this for wheezing and any kind of bronch cough in the chest cold, chest pain, belly pain, asthma, wheezing. This will move any mucus from off the chest. Fight against fever, cold, cough. This here mixed with 2 other herbs kill corona. Yeah, but these herbs, people, grow wild here in St. Kitts. That Has Rubdown can be used as a tea. Can use dry and make a tea and drink it, especially in this time where cold is on a rampage, and fever and cough. Give this to your children. Look at it. If you don't know it and if you need it, my number is 661-8393. I sell herbs. I do herbal remedies. So you can contact me, Jalotan, 661-8393. This is the Has Rubdown. See it? Yeah, very, very potent herb. Instant relief for cold or cough. Move mucus from out of your bronchial tract. Any respiratory system disorder, these herbs will eradicate it in an instant. Cough with cold, dry cough, this herb Has Rubdown. From mama to mama, yeah, man. Enough respect and love, King Rastafari. Yeah, man, the earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof, Man say give us the herb, all herb bearing food for us, and the leaf of the tree for us as medicine, you know. So let us go back to mama and utilize, you know. Yeah, this is the hash rub down for those that don't know and seeing it around. Yeah, you can use it and make a tea. Yeah. Give thanks. One blessed love, you know.